Hi there, this is LT Survival. As you see beside me, the Nanuk 950 Plasticase from Terrebonne were gracious enough to supply this wonderful case for carrying my video equipment. So I'm doing a small video where I'm going to put some pictures of the inside, what I did to put everything in there. The only thing I don't put in there is tripods. I have a carry case for the light tripods, and I've got my camera tripod that I carry beside it because they don't fit inside. So stay tuned, I'll show you that right after this. Okay, as you can see, the inside of my box, I have my diffuser, my white box for the lights. My background I use often for my videos, which is the mouse lights. I've got the DSLR camera here, which I've added recently. Okay. Still have some holes to do here, either for those battery and charger and this adapter, or for more batteries for the camera. So as you can see, it's pretty full already, but I still have two other layers which I used. Still have to solve that Velcro problem I have on the bottom to maintain the first layer. Here's the pouch I'm carrying, all the batteries, microphone, accessories I have. So most are rechargeable batteries, except for the button batteries, which are basically throwaway. These batteries and charger all control, and these charger control the lights batteries. Okay, because I have two sets of batteries for the lights. So I'm going to pick up this, show you the underneath. Basically second layers, you can see my battery stayed there instead of following. It's the layer that's in between the tripods and the lights, and I have a third layers in which I have a small Gorilla tripod. So everything is in there, everything is accessible and easy to do. Well, as you can see, not much to the inside of the box that carries the equipment, but once you plug the space, you get a lot of equipment into one box. Very useful to carry everything around. You can take pictures, I can take videos, I have my lights, I have my small tripods. The only thing I'm carrying on the outside is the large tripod and the photo tripods. For the lights tripod, the tripods for the lights, the large one, the photo tripods, and that's it. So pretty compact, pretty good. It's a large box. Thanks Nanuk, Plasticase in Terrebonne. Thank you a lot for supplying this case. I'm really enjoying it. It's been going around and being banged a bit. I'm trying to take care of it as much as I can, not to bang it up. I've decorated it with my logos. I am really pleased with the case. It protects the equipment, not a problem. Water, rain, anything. I had to take a boat ride, no problem. Put that in the bottom of the boat, and I'm filming on an island. So it's pretty neat, pretty awesome, and I thank you again. So if you like this, and if you want to check out Plasticase Nanuk case 950, the link is going to be in the bottom of the video, and we'll see you then.